I'm Kara with the application support team here at OMRI. In this video, we'll go over how to submit product and company changes to OMRI for review. Companies with OMRI listed products are responsible for submitting changes to OMRI 60 days before they are planned to be implemented. This 60-day timeline gives OMRI staff enough time to determine if a change is compliant before it is implemented, protecting your product's OMRI listed status. Your company is expected to submit all changes to OMRI, even if the change you are working on doesn't fit within this timeline. You will be able to indicate if the change has already been implemented or if your company has a specific date planned for implementation.
Changes can be submitted via our new online system or with a PDF form via email. The online system is located on your company page on omri.org. Scroll down past your company contacts and you'll see the Changes section with a green button that says Report a Change. Within the first few questions, you'll see the Product and Ingredient Selection pane. This is where you will indicate which products and ingredients are affected by the change. For example, if you are updating your label or making a product change for the product Fantastic OLP, you would select the product here. For an ingredient change, you can select the affected ingredient here. If the manufacturing process is changing for the sea salt ingredient, you would select the ingredient, and then on the next pane, you can indicate that you're reporting a manufacturing process change. If a change applies to your entire company, such as a company name change, you can indicate that here. This format for reporting changes online is interactive, similar to our product application online. New questions will appear based on how you answer previous questions, and uploads may be required depending on your responses. Administrative changes, like a company or product name change, have no fee for review. Technical changes, like a formula change, will require a fee to be paid when you reach the end of the application. If you would like to submit your change with the PDF form via email, you will still find that under the Applicant menu and Individual Forms and Checklists. However, we encourage you to give our new online system a try. The new system is designed to make sure all required documentation is submitted so that your review will be done a little faster.
I hope you enjoyed this quick look into how to submit changes to OMRI. If your company has a pending change and you have questions, please feel welcome to call or email us for help.